Hi, my name is Ralph Derek Brown. I'm the product manager of Ring at Mirror Distribution, and today we're going to be unboxing the Ring Spotlight camera battery powered version and the Ring solar panel. And I'm going to show you how these two integrate perfectly with each other. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the Ring Spotlight camera battery powered version. We do have the hardwired version as well, and it does come in black and white, depending on what you want. Okay, so let's unbox this one. As you can see, it comes in a very nice steady box. That is that, the Ring Spotlight camera battery powered version. This is the black version. So basically just a few features on this camera. It is a Wi-Fi connected camera, as all the other Ring cameras are. It does support two-way talk. It has an adjustable mounting bracket. It is weather resistant, meaning IP67 rated, meaning you can install it really anywhere you want to. It does come with one quick release battery, which is rechargeable. It supports 1080p HD video, which means your video quality will be extremely good. It does support motion activated LED spotlights over here. And then it does come with IR and configurable motion detection. Okay, just a few add-ons in the box. This is your mounting bracket, and it does come with your quick release battery, and then a few Ring tools as well. Screwdriver, drill bits, and then your necessary chargers that you would need. Okay, then obviously your manual for the configuration and installation of this device. Okay, so let me show you how it looks when you insert the battery. So basically, there's a little button here, you click that, it opens, and you'll see there is two slots. Now these two slots means you can add another additional quick release battery for this camera. Okay, just obviously to keep your lifespan for this camera as long as possible without charging. So this is only one, here's another one. Should you want to add that. Okay, and that's that. As you can see, it's powering up. This is the adjustable mounting bracket. You just open here, click this button. Okay, and then you can adjust it. This is your mounting bracket. Just loosen this up a bit. Click that on there. As you can see, that's quite solid. Fasten that up a bit. And that is that, ladies and gentlemen. That is your quick release battery with your spotlight camera. And now, just for the add-on feature for this camera, you can add on the Ring solar panel. Okay, so basically installation is extremely easy. It does come with the manuals as well, which will help you quite a lot, but it is extremely user friendly and very easy to install. You just click this bracket onto the solar panel, and that is the entire installation. Okay, it does come with the drill bit and all the necessary screws as well. Okay, and just to install these two with each other, you just plug this cable into the back of the Ring Spotlight cam like that, and that is your entire application right there. Simple, easy, and very quick to install. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do have any further questions, please see the description below for all our contact details. And if you do like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Mirror Solutions content. Thank you.